Hello, this is my video tutorial on different activities available in the teacher practice area. The first thing you have to do when you get there is choose your topic. This one is free. You have to turn editing on so that you can add activities to your topic. So when you click on add activity or resource, you get to choose different activities, and there are really a lot of different activities. For example, there are different games you can include, such as crossword puzzle, hangman, and things like that. You can also include resources for your students in the form of book or folder where you can share the information they need for the course, for example. So if you click on any of these, you get the description and it tells you what you can use this activity or resource for and how to do it, basically. For the different activities, the treasure hunt immediately caught my eye, and it seems to be a very interesting and I think very exciting for the students. So it's basically a geolocation activity. You can do it outdoor, indoor, or on a virtual map, and it is a treasure chase with geolocation and QR codes. And you can find out about steps to do it in this link, more information, step-by-step tutorial. So I think I'll have to try it out. But for this video tutorial, I'm going to do something simple. So when you click on the activity you want to do, and I'm going to choose a simple assignment, you click on it and you click add, and then you can add your activity. So my assignment is going to be a for and against essay, and I will ask my students to write an essay on the topic of school uniform. So please write a for and against essay on the following topic. Some students think that school uniforms are great, while others disagree. So some students think that school uniforms are great, while others disagree. Write to 200 words. Okay, and then you can save and return to the course. Okay, so here it is. If I click on my topic, I can see there is an assignment and it's an for and against essay. If I click on it, I can see my assignment. If I want to change something, I can go here and edit it. And I can, for example, add details such as when who I allow submissions from. Then I can choose the due date. For example, I can choose 24th of January 2000. I can choose to be reminded to grade the assignments by 5th of February, and so on. So I can now save my changes, and here is my assignment. Thank you very much for your attention.